It's super slippery. I have no idea how we're gonna do it. Oh, boy! So first day of 2019. A very happy new year to all of you. I hope you all are having fun. I'm having mine in Manali, like I'm enjoying my winters in Manali. I have been here for like last 7 days. Last year has been really good and I would like to thank all of you for being there with me throughout the year and for your love and support. Now I have been in Manali for last 7 days and every morning I used to get up to a view of this mountain. So yesterday while celebrating the last day of 2018, I came up with this crazy idea, I came up with this thought, what could be beyond that mountain? And then I actually went to the hotel owner and then this happened. लालचंद जी,
हाँ जी सर।
ये जो सामने पहाड़ है यहाँ पे चढ़ सकते हैं क्या?
बिल्कुल सर जी, क्यों नहीं चढ़ सकते।
कौन सा पहाड़ है
ये हमटा पास।
ओह, तो उसका ट्रैक होता है क्या वहाँ पे कोई?
ट्रैक होता है सर जी, 1 डे ट्रैक है ये फुल।
तो उसके लिए कोई गाइड वाइड अरेंज हो सकता है क्या?
गाइड भी अरेंज हो जाएगा।
ओह सही है सही। तो सुबह अर्ली मॉर्निंग निकलना है, सही है ना?
अर्ली मॉर्निंग बेटर रहेगा, आप नाइट में तब पहुँचेंगे टाइमली इवनिंग तक।
बहुत ज़्यादा डिफिकल्ट है क्या?
डिफिकल्ट लग जाएगा पता सर जी, कल जाएंगे तो।
ठीक है। So yeah, like we got to know like that place beyond this mountain is actually the Hamta Pass. So I somehow managed to convince all of my friends, like you would have seen in the previous vlog. My brother is here along with few of my friends. So I convinced all of my friends to come along with me for this trek, like on the first day of year. I couldn't have asked for a better starting for this year, and I think like that's what this year should be about. Like push yourself, do more, do things that you wouldn't have thought of doing but you would always think of doing. Learn new things. Spread love, guys, spread loves. And I love the vibes over here. It's so good to be here at Winters. So yeah, like we are going to Hamta Pass today. I'm not sure like till what point we'll reach there, but yeah, like let's check it out and I'm really excited for the trek. Wondering who she was and what I said. How are you finding the first day of 2019?
Yeah, it's pretty what do you call, exuberating. We're going for a trek.
Are you excited for the trek?
Yeah, sort of. Looking at the mountain, yeah, I'm excited about the trek, but then let's see what happens. We are excited.
How are you feeling, man?
Loving the food, warm food on a winter morning is the best. So yeah.
True that. What's up, Soumya?
Hi, I'm feeling very thrilled for the trek.
Did you just make that up?
Yeah.
Troubled mind, is it okay? Is it okay? Oh, I need to see that girl again.
Happy New Year! So it's almost like 12 o'clock in the afternoon and we are actually stuck in a very heavy traffic jam. Now Manali mein usually New Year ke time pe ye problem hoti hai because a lot of tourists come to this place, so obviously there's a lot of traffic by the afternoon. We kind of knew about it but we got a little late because obviously ठंड का time है, इतने सारे लोगों को ready होने में time लगता है. It's all okay, it's a part of travel. अभी सब लोग बाहर आ चुके हैं, सब लोग अपना chill मार रहे हैं. It's New Year guys, it's all about the happy vibes.
Set me free.
Ronnie, what's up?
Hey bro,
कैसा लग रहा है?
sexy 31st खत्म हो गई, न्यू ईयर मना रहे हैं भाई, बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है।
By the way guys, if you remember, if you have seen my Sikkim vlog, we did that trip together. Like that was one of our most beautiful trips. What do you say about it? The Sikkim vlog. So yeah, like अभी traffic लगा हुआ है, हम लोग अपना chill मार रहे हैं. It's okay man, like that's all part of travel. Like it's happy vibe guys. 2019. What's up, bro? Happy New Year, man.
Happy New Year, man. We
How are you
woke up
feeling
at
right now?
feeling so excited about the place, about the Hamta Pass. We woke up at 8 o'clock in the morning. This was first time, you know, in a place like this where it was so cold. We woke up, but unfortunately we started a bit late. Ended up having breakfast and all. Started at 10 o'clock and now stuck in traffic. Hopefully we'll be able to make it by 1.
But it's fun, right?
It is absolutely fun. The weather is amazing. There are too many people around. Lightly vibes. Amazing.
We have just reached the Hamta Pass and it's so beautiful because there's snow everywhere. So we're gonna explore the place and I'm gonna take some shots and I'm gonna show you some good shots from the place, hopefully. And also try to fly my drone. I'm not sure if it is allowed because there's a dam, but let's check it out. What's up, bro? How are you feeling?
Dude, I'm just looking at that, you know, that scenery over there, and I'm so tempted to go up on the top right there and get the, you know, perspective of this whole place from here. I can't tell you, like, let's just go.
Keep walking, guys!
He's just figuring out the way.
Oh yeah, that's also necessary. We are taking a halt over here and we are not moving further ahead because it's very difficult. Like, I myself convinced Ronnie to come along with me and reach till the top, but it's super steep, it's super slippery, so it's very difficult to climb this thing. But it's fun. I'm really happy, like, you know, we are able to reach till this point because it's so crazy. Like, there is no trail, we didn't hire a guide, we didn't even know like where will we reach after taking this random trail. So yeah, but it's fun, and I think that's what this year should be about. Like, doing more, pushing yourself, literally testing out your limits. And that's what we did today on the first day of this year, and I'm really happy about it. I am really thankful to my friends that they did manage to come along with me on this crazy idea. But yeah, it's really fun being here. So yeah, like, we are at this place and I'm not sure if it is the ideal place to fly drone, but come on guys, it's the first day of 2019. I need to show you some drone shots. So let's see some drone shots.
Winter has come. Is there still wonder in the stars? Let's take it back to the start. You were the fire I was after. You lit the night with your smile. still hear the bells when I first held your heart. Winter has come, how did we drift so far apart? Still holding on, what will it take to light the spark? Let's take it back to the start.
कैसे भी अगर कैमरा को बैक में कर सकता है, that would be
I almost slipped off. So we have all taken a halt at this random spot in between of jungles. And you know, मैंने अपना कैमरा और gimbal पैक करके बैग में रख दिया था because I literally slipped off. वो तो somehow I managed to grab few shrubs and then definitely Prince just grabbed my hand and pulled me off somehow. That was the experience, dude. I know it's very crazy, but I don't know. I'm literally having fun. Like I'm literally enjoying the vibe over here. I'm literally enjoying that adrenaline rush that I'm getting by doing this. And I couldn't have asked for a better first day to 2019. अभी बोला भी नहीं जा रहा है, बहुत ठंड हो रही है और मैंने ग्लव्स नहीं पहन रखे हैं बिकॉज नहीं तो कैमरा ऑपरेट करने में प्रॉब्लम होता है. But it's fun, guys. It's New Year. It's New Year. I'm really happy I'm here. Today is my last day in Manali. So रात में we'll all board a bus back to Delhi. And yeah, let's see what happens from there.
Is there still wonder in our hearts? Let's take it back to the start.
On our way to Hamta Pass, but stuck in traffic, unfortunately.
ट्रैफिक कैसा लग रहा है?
ट्रैफिक जैसा ही लग रहा है यार. पर ठीक है, घूम रहे हैं बाहर मस्ती में, मस्त मौसम है. वहाँ देखो स्नो दिख रही है इतनी बढ़िया. वहीं तक जाने की चाह है.
So we are going there. It's all snow.